We are going to unbox a wig together from start to finish. No jump cuts, no editing, just a full unboxing. And I am so excited. This wig has been out for a few years now. I've never seen her in person, and I have wanted to try this one so badly, and I finally get to. This is ESPRIT from Ellen Villa, and I have her in the color Mocha Lighted. Oh, I'm so excited. I am beyond excited. You're gonna hear my dog. He is on the floor next to me in here. He's losing his mind on our golden retriever, and I have to keep them separated, so he's going to hang out with me. So pardon me if he makes noises. Okay, here she is. I have not looked at this wig. So wavy and curly wigs sometimes don't look super out of the box. They can need a little help, and I don't know what this one's going to look like. And that's why I wanted to do this unboxing without any editing, because I want you to see what I am going to see. And just know that sometimes when you get these wigs, let me see if I can brighten up this a little bit. Sometimes when you get these wigs out of the box, they don't always look the same as they did in the review. And it's not necessarily because the wig has been modified, because I never modify a wig before I review it, but they have been combed and shaken out because sometimes they don't look super out of the box. And there'd be a lot of wigs that we would never buy based on the unboxing that turn out to be so cute after a little shaking and a little combing. So I want to encourage you, don't always judge a wig by what it looks like straight out of the box. So this wig, oh my gosh, she's lightweight. So this has a mostly hand-tied cap. This is all hand-tied. We've got some closed wefting on the bottom, a mono part. I'm really surprised she only has a mono part. This is an interesting cap. I don't know if I've seen a cap like this from Ellen Villa before. I'd have to think about that a little bit. So let me throw her on. Oh goodness, it's gonna get hot in here. I can already tell. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you can see what I mean by the wig doesn't always look super out of the box, especially a wig with curls and waves, because the waves need to be combed out. She can be a little flat, but she's so cute. Oh my gosh, I am beyond excited about this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake her out a little bit. I'm gonna wake up these fibers. I'm gonna finger comb her. You know, she's been packed really securely in the box, which makes her kind of smushed. Oh gosh, you guys, I have been dying to see this one. This is 100% straight up my alley. Oh, she's so good. Oh my gosh, I love her. Love her. Okay, she has a zigzag part. Sometimes an easy way to get rid of it is to comb it forward, hold it in place, and then comb it backward. And sometimes that's all you have to do to get it to fall into place and to remove that zigzag. It doesn't always work, but sometimes. And that actually, it worked pretty well. I might have to do it a couple of times, but that helped a ton. You guys, this is so cute. I love kind of messy, wavy bobs so much for like everyday wear. Oh my goodness. I could not be more thrilled about this. This wig is so incredibly lightweight. Like, feels like nothing on my head. So flat. Really natural density. No permatease. No permatease. She is everything that I hoped that she would be. Oh my goodness. She's so cute. Okay. I'm so thrilled. I've been disappointed with wigs sometimes when I've gotten them out of the box and they just weren't quite what I was hoping they would be. This one absolutely is. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So good. Just want to kind of get the glare off. I am so thrilled. What do you guys think? Have you tried ESPRIT? Have you ever experienced, you know, like a tremendous anticipation for a wig, and then when you got the wig, she totally lived up to it? I would love for you to leave some comments around your experience with unboxing wigs, both good and bad, because the journey is challenging, and today is such a good day. This turned out better than I had hoped, but it might not have. So share your experiences. I'm going to review this wig and give you guys all the details, so stay tuned for that review. But I just wanted to film this because I have been so excited about this wig. I think I might wear her today. I don't know. I'll think about it. I don't always wear the wigs before I review them because I want the review to be mostly out of the box. So we think about it, but I love her.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.